Starting an e-commerce business can be a great way to tap into the growing online market and reach customers from all over the world. However, starting an e-commerce business is not without its challenges. Here are some tips for the e-commerce entrepreneur to help ensure a successful start. Identify a niche market. Specializing in a specific product or service can help you stand out in a crowded market and attract a dedicated customer base. Research your competition. Understanding the competition in your market can help you identify opportunities and develop strategies to differentiate your business. Develop a unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition should clearly communicate the benefits of your products or services and why they are better than those of your competitors. Create a solid business plan. A solid business plan will help you map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals and will serve as a roadmap for your business. Build a professional website. Your website is often the first point of contact with customers, so it's important to make sure it is professional, easy to navigate, and provides all the information customers need. Utilize social media. Social media platforms can be a great way to connect with customers and build a loyal following. Invest in SEO. Optimizing your website for search engines can help increase visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Test and optimize your website. Continuously testing and optimizing your website can help you identify areas for improvement and increase conversions. Invest in a good payment gateway. A good payment gateway is essential for building trust with customers and ensuring secure transactions. Implement a robust shipping and fulfillment strategy. Having a clear and efficient shipping and fulfillment strategy in place can help ensure customer satisfaction and reduce the risk of returns. Build a strong customer service. Having a strong customer service can help establish a positive reputation, increase customer loyalty, and reduce the risk of negative reviews. Continuously improve. Stay on top of industry trends, gather customer feedback, and continuously improve your business. Invest in marketing. Marketing is crucial for any business, and e-commerce is no exception. Investing in a variety of marketing channels, such as paid advertising, email marketing, and influencer marketing, can help you reach a wider audience and increase conversions. Create a mobile app. With the increasing number of people using their smartphones to browse the internet, having a mobile app can help you reach a wider audience and increase engagement with your brand. Take advantage of e-commerce platforms. Utilizing popular e-commerce platforms, such as Amazon and Shopify, can help you reach a larger audience and take advantage of their built-in tools and features. Utilize data and analytics. Utilizing data and analytics can help you understand your customers better, track your business performance, and make data-driven decisions. Be active on review sites. Being active on review sites, such as Yelp and Google Reviews, can help you build trust with customers and improve your online reputation. Use video content. Video content can be a powerful tool for showcasing your products, building brand awareness, and engaging with customers. Be active on social media. Being active on social media platforms can help you connect with customers, build a loyal following, and increase brand awareness. Continuously test and optimize. Continuously testing and optimizing your e-commerce strategies can help you identify areas for improvement and increase conversions. Starting an e-commerce business can be a challenging but rewarding endeavor. By following these tips, you can set your business up for success, reach a wider audience, and increase conversions. Remember, however, that starting an e-commerce business is not a one-time effort. It is a continuous process of learning, testing, and improving. Stay on top of industry trends and gather customer feedback to continuously improve your business.